that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with my hey. Hi lol. Anyways, we gonna make a mukbang. So Tiny, what food you have? I have steak and fries. Nom nom, this tastes as good as pussy. And lasta. Lasagna. Nom nom.
Lemonade.
And CF.
I have cheese ravioli. Lemonade.
And I have
Lemonade.
and mac and cheese. I mean cola.
Sips tea, and it's unsweet.
So let's start.
Let's.
And today we have been rehearsing. Soon we have SWAT show. Dates will be out on YT2 and Insta and Roblox.
You and the McQueen called Tylee.
Yeah.
Peace.
Guys, I will be right back. Cold sweat smile.
OOP. EWWW. I'm okay. I'm gonna check on Tiny.
Back. Where did CF go?
Hi,
Well,
Flips hair.
what you guys doing? TMR. School.
Going to school.
Mena. Yeah, hell.
My first day. RIP. This is hell. To freedom, Nicki Minaj.
UHM, Ty for watching this mukbang.